Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two important command. You can see here two important command discuss here. First is face to face fillet and second is tritangent fillet. Okay, CATIA lecture 34 is discussed here, and today is two important command. This is a editing command. Okay, at first create a 3D design, any design, and this is a body is a edit some parts as and face is editing here, and this is a very important tools. This is a very important command. You can see here, first is face to face fillet and second is tritangent fillet. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software and this is a start. Click here and mechanical design, and this is a part. Okay, and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this also a command is a face to face fillet, and this is a tritangent fillet. Okay, this is not active, but some any drawing a 2D sketching here and then convert a 3D design, then this is a active. Okay, at first select a any sketch a 3D body. This is a rectangle and a sketch. Use a pad, and pad is a 30. Okay, and all command is active here because this is a 3D drawing. Okay, at first select a color property, and color is a this color is a okay, this color is perfect. Okay, this color. Okay, at first drawing a 3D model, and then all command is active, and this is a any body is a editing command use, and this body is edit here. Okay, and this two command is discussed here. First is face to face fillet and second is a tritangent fillet. Okay, at first click here tritangent fillet. Okay, this body is select here, this face and this also this face, and this is a click here and body is a okay, this is a okay, body is edit here, and back side also tritangent is used. First face, second, and this is a correct here, and this is a edit. Okay, this body is a edit. Okay, this is a good looking here, and okay, this is a use a face to face fillet. At first select a face and a body is a drawing here. Okay, body is a drawing here. This is center rectangle. Okay, this is a correct, and this center is a drawing here. Okay, and use a pad is a 60, 50 is correct. Okay, this is a body, and this tritangent you can see here, this also this face and this face is a, and this face is a showing here. Okay, and okay, this body is a fillet, and this is a face to face fillet is click here, and at first this fillet. Okay, and okay, this fillet is also use a this face and this face. Okay, preview is showing here this face. Okay, size is increased, this is a 10. Okay, this is a correct. And also, okay, this is a face to face. Okay, this body is click here, and this body is a click here. Preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. And also this body is, and this body is okay. Okay, and also this body and this face. At first this face and second this face, you can see here. Okay, this is a, and this body is a for face to face fillet is used, and this is a color is changed here, this is a pink. Okay, and this is also, you can see here, Tritangent is used a red. Okay, okay, this is a correct. And this face is also property. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And at first select this face, click here, and draw a this. Okay, and exit, and this is a pad is a 40. Okay, and at first select a face to face fillet. At first select this face, and also next select face is a this face. Okay, and click a, okay, this is a double click here, and this is a 5. Okay, this is a correct. And as fillet is used this face, and okay, this. Okay, and fillet is used color is a this, and this use a color is a okay, green color is used. Okay, okay. Face to face fillet is very important, and this Tritangent fillet is also very important, both. Okay, okay guys, both fillet is very important. First is face to face fillet, and second is Tritangent fillet. Both fillet is very important, used in CATIA software. Okay, okay guys, CATIA lecture, next lecture is coming soon, and today all is discussed here. Guys, get at first more and more new videos coming soon, and at first coming notification, at first coming, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.